The control panels in control room B are stainless steel. There are a lot of components missing again. It's not immediately obvious how you're going to look after each of these panels, what you're going to have to clean and repair. And the team at Lucas have been very good in coming up with solutions that we trial and we agree through to the approval process and then carry out throughout all the panels. And the result's very good. You can see that the panels, we've taken them back to a very high level of finish. They look incredible. Control room B is quite different to control room A in that it was built during the war, so it's a very much more austere space. And it continues the materials of turbine hall B. It sort of belongs to turbine hall B as an annex. So as a control room, it's not really the same as control room A in that all the gear in there is for controlling equipment within the turbine hall and the switchgear. And there were a few components missing as well. One of the exciting things we've been able to do here, where you have small one-off pieces that it's not really cost effective to manufacture, we've been able to laser scan those and then reproduce them as a 3D printed object. And I think up close you can see the difference. It's red, you can read the old and new together, but actually it contributes towards the overall and you get the original design. For Wilkinson Air, it's an enormous project, and over such a long period of time. One of my daughters wasn't born when I started the project, and now she's playing outside the power station, so it's quite good to have that kind of continuity, and I'm sure they'll be coming back here in another 10 years.